A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The 5th provincial chapter of the Salesian St. John Paul II province of Shillong, India, INTS, began on 7 May with a day full of spiritual reflections and opening ceremonies. The activities began with meditation, which began at 6:30 a.m. and morning prayer led by Father Bernard Pala. There were several talks and it culminated with the Eucharist celebrated by Father John Zozamia, INTS Provincial. The opening ceremony took place in the afternoon, beginning with a warm welcome and an introduction by Father Dennis Lalfela, Provincial Chapter Moderator. The assembly invoked the Holy Spirit with hymns and prayers led by Father Zozamia. The ritual lighting of the lamp followed, accompanied by congratulations from various guests, including Father Richard Majau, Vicar General of the Archdiocese of Shillong, and representatives of various congregations and associations. Every year in May, a meeting of the liturgical service of the Salesian province of Wroclaw, Poland PLO is held, called the Provincial Altar Service Pilgrimage PIM in Polish. The event has been taking place for 43 years in the spiritual heart of the province at the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Twardo Gora. Over 200 young people from Greater Poland, Lower Silesia and Silesia experience 4 days of fun and human growth, establishing healthy relationships and playing various sports and skill games in an atmosphere of fair play. During the pilgrimage, there was no lack of spiritual formation and the liturgical service participated every day in the solemn Eucharist. The Salesian St. Aloysius Gonzaga Province, Recife, Brazil, BRE, held its 27th provincial chapter at the Salesian colony located in Jaboatão do Guararapes in the state of Pernambuco. During 4 intense and active days, chapter members met to reflect, plan and celebrate the Salesian mission in the region. The Salesian colony, known for its history and importance in the life of the province, offered a favorable environment for the moments of reflection and spirituality that mark the beginning of the chapter on 22nd April. From that moment on, the participants dedicated themselves to discussing the challenges and opportunities facing the BRE province, looking for ways to strengthen and expand Salesian work in the region. Salesian spirituality and the educational mission were central points of discussion, reaffirming the province's commitment to the integral formation of young people. Father Alfred Maravilla, General Councillor for the Missions, arrived in Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, on 8 April 2024 to conduct the extraordinary visitation on behalf of the Rector Major, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, to the North Delegation of Vietnam, DVN. This visit to the north of the country is part of the extensive visit which began on 2nd August 2023 and will last almost a year in total, although carried out at different times, to the St. John Bosco province of Vietnam VIA, a circumscription that has a total of 360 conferences and 37 houses. On Saturday, 4th May, altar service, acolytes and masters of ceremony in the Our Lady Help of Christians province, Sao Paulo, Brazil, met at the Liceu Nossa Senhora Auxiliadora community in Campinas for the annual provincial meeting. 603 participants, including children, adolescents and young adults, accompanied by the coordinators of the groups and their tutors, experienced moments of spirituality, reflection, conviviality, joy and fun under the protection of Saint Dominic Savio, whose feast day for the Salesian family is celebrated on 6 May. Father Tiago Eliomar Gonzalves de Moraes, Mission Delegate and Coordinator of Vocational Animation for BSP Province, led the first activity, a game of questions and answers on catechetical, biblical, Salesian and liturgical themes. In the afternoon, after awards to coordinators of the groups for all their commitment, there was a free oratory moment where everyone could play football and volleyball, dance, play with inflatables and interact with others. At the end of the day, Father Eliomar led adoration of the Blessed Sacrament. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.